Hello, everyone.
Where the EFF is just being disingenuous there. It has been working with the DA.
The former public protector, Thuli Madonsela, said that the economic freedom fighters is being disingenuous for not wanting to work with the Democratic Alliance because it has been working with the DA in so many coalitions, because ANC is not even asking for coalition. It is proposing the government of national unity, which is more loose than the coalition. She further stated that she would love the ANC and other parties to confidently tell the nation what is it that they are demanding and let everything in the open. If they are demanding something that is consistent with the constitution, they must tell the nation. She was speaking on the Newsroom Africa. She also spoke about the issue of involving Chief Justice with regards to smaller parties wanting Chief Justice to facilitate the negotiations. She said that involving Chief Justice is premature in terms of the Constitution to chair the National Assembly meeting where the president has to be elected.
Well, I can understand their concerns. They must also understand that as voters, we've already dictated terms. We have given the ANC 40%. We have given the DA 22%. The MK was given 15%, and the EFF was given 9 point something percent. So obviously, we have to be honest about the interests of society is expressed through the vote. When we say to people, the vote is your voice, we mean it. And political parties can't then decide that it will be the Chief Justice who decides these matters. If they want him to mediate, I think they should talk to the ANC and say, and everyone else and say, we like the invitation that we all be part of this deciding the content of our agenda going forward. But would it be proper that we ask the Chief Justice to chair that? But maybe instead of the Chief Justice, they could, with the consent of everyone, ask for a retired Chief Justice rather than a sitting Chief Justice to convene rather than to mediate.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.